Alright, GM guys, so as you can see here, there are now two options in the send tokens to friends tab. Okay, before there was just one option, you send tokens to friend and you click on send, but now there is send via on-chain address, which is the normal one that has been here the whole time, and there's also send via social media account. So let's check that out. Click on send. Now this is basically how it looks like. Connect your wallet. Okay, as you've connected your wallet, then you're in automatically. Okay, so as you can see here, it's the same thing you're sending. You can see the amount of PHRS you have, and then you can now send to the person by the person's as you can see here, TikTok handle or X handle or Google account or Red Note. So you can choose one of these identities to send to the person. If you know the person's X handle, you can put it here. Now let's try sending 0.02 to so as you can see here, you can now send to this Gmail account. Now you put Gmail account for a Gmail account you're using, right? Click on send. Alright, as you can see, we have successfully sent to a person without having to use the person's wallet address. Just if you know the person's X handle, or if you know the person's Gmail account's address, you can just do that. Okay, let's try an X handle right now. And we successfully sent to the person via the person's X handle. Alright, so if there's any other news about this, I'll tell you guys. Remember to like, follow, subscribe, all the normal stuff. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Now check out my video how I explained how you can do the other tasks on the Pharos network season 2.